Think of English as your universal passport. It's far more than just a subject in school. It's the key that unlocks global opportunities in business, technology, and higher education. With English, you can connect with billions of people worldwide, breaking down barriers of culture and distance. It also opens the door to the vast majority of the world's knowledge, from the latest scientific discoveries and academic research to the biggest movies, music, and online content. English gives you direct access. In our interconnected world, it's the common ground for international dialogue. So don't just watch from the sidelines. By learning English, you actively choose to participate in the global conversation, expand your horizons, and truly become a citizen of the world. Your journey starts with this single step.
There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.